Hello, today we are going to be looking at a system of equations in 3 variables, and we are going to be using substitution. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to name my 3 equations. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a way to get it down to where I have just 2 equations with 2 variables, or some way I can get down to 1 equation with 1 variable. If I look at equation 3, it's set up, it's already solved for x, so I'm going to take equation 3, I'm going to put it into equation 2, and what happens is I end up with equation 1 and my new equation 2 having just a y and a z in it, and then I can solve from there. So when I do this, I get y equal to negative 5 times 4z plus 4 minus 4z minus 5. I now distribute, and I get negative 20z minus 20 minus 4z minus 5. When I simplify, I get y is equal to negative 24z minus 25. I now look at this equation. I'm going to call it equation 4, just for namesake at this point. And I can look up at equation 1, and I can see if I substitute equation 4 in for equation 1, I have all z's. So up here in blue, I'm going to take my first equation. I'm going to replace my y with negative 24z minus 25, and we still have plus 5z, and it's equal to negative 3. Now as I simplify, I end up with 48z minus plus 50 plus 5z equal to negative 3. I'm going to subtract that 50, and I simplify these two, I end up with 53z equal to negative 53, thus z is equal to negative 1. As I look at equation 1, I have just a y and a z, so I am going to take this answer and go to equation 1, and I'm going to replace my z with negative 1. As I solve, I find that y is equal to 2y is negative 2y is equal to negative. Whoops. Is equal to positive 2. When I divide by negative 2, I get y is negative 1. So I have negative 1 and negative 1. Come back up here. I can take that equation 3. X is equal to 4 times negative 1 plus 4. So x is 0. So now I know x is 0, y is negative 1, and z is negative 1. Thank you very much for your time.